Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do a makeup. I'm going to do my eyes first and then I'm going to do my face. This is from Zoeva. This is the brush. It's a buffing brush and I'm gonna take a little bit of that concealer and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids like a primer. So quickly I'm going to do that and I will set this concealer with a little bit of powder and I will be right back. I will put a little bit of light under my brow bone and I'm going to use the shade Bine from the JACLYN Hill X Morphe palette. So the shade is this one, the second one, this one over here, this brush, Morphe, this brush, okay, this, and then I'm going to use from the palette, I'm going to mix this color over here and this color over here. Their names are Silk Cream and Butter. These are the names of the colors. So mixing these two and putting them in my crease like my transition shade. So looking straight and start blending this crease color. I think I'm going to do a red pinkish vibe. After I blended the crease color, the blending color, I think I'm going to mix these three colors. I'm going to use the same brush, but I think I'm going to blend it a little bit lower that I blend my crease color, my blending color. I'm going to start building my color. The same thing I'm doing to this eye. I wanna ask you guys if you want to tell me what makeup ideas you wanna see or what makeup looks or occasion makeup looks you wanna see, events, bridal, I don't know, or anything. Do you like me to do vlogs, daily vlogs, anything? And I'm going to try. I'm going to take the blending color and I'm going to blend these edges. So nothing is harsh or anything like that. I'm going to take this Morphe palette. This is the 15S. This is the color. And I'm going to take this color called Makeover. This brush over here. This is the hashtag palette. This is the 15B, I think. I don't know. These two are the one of the newest palettes from Morphe. I got mine just before Christmas, and I like it. Okay, now I'm taking later gram, this color over here, and I'm trying to blend. I'm going to apply all over the lid this color from this palette, this color, Obsessed. I'm taking that small flat brush and I'm going to apply all over the mobile eyelid like a base, and then you will see what I'm going to do. Next I'm going to take this glitter glue from Boysenberries. And I'm gently pushing a mixture over this glue, like so. So, it's glitter, of course. It's a loose pigment from CATRICE, and I'll show you what pigment, and a little bit of something else. So, I mixed these three, oops, that was my mirror, these three things. So, this is a glitter rock, this is a pigment, it is number 05. This is from Ucambe, it's called. This is from NYX and it's 02 Glee. This is packaging. And I also have a loose pigment from CATRICE in the color Pink Galaxy. Put some falsies and I will be right back with you guys. So, I'm back. I'm going to use this cream illuminating primer from the one from Oriflame, but first I'm going to use this, sorry for the packaging, this Master Prime from Maybelline New York. And now this is a little bit pink, so I'm not going to put it everywhere. I'm going to take this quantity and I am going to put it all over my high points of my cheeks. Yes! Oops, stai puțin. Încerc să filmez un tutorial. Say hi.
Hi. Vorbim mai târziu puțin?
Da. Ah. This is a pink undertone kind of illuminating primer. It smells kind of synthetic. So, I mean this one from CATRICE. This is High Liquid Coverage Color Foundation in the shade 020 Rose Beige, and from Milani, this one is the 00A Porcelain. So I'm going to mix these two and I'm going to apply them with this sponge from Morphe. So a little bit of this and a little bit of this. Not very much. Let me tell you a few things about me. I'm the not so good with holding things person. So, yes. You might see me dropping everything that I have. So, sorry about that. So, I'm going to... Okay, I finished blending my foundation and then I'm going to use these two concealers. One is from Maybelline Anti-Age Eraser and one is from Gelo Vital, the soft focus that I used earlier. So I'm going to put both of them under my eyes and I'm going to blend it with a brush and with the sponge. So then let's blend this out. Take this brush and I will push this product under my eye, some powder and light. And after that I'm going to set everything with some powder, and I'm going to use the powder from Boysenberries. This is the MicroTouch powder in the shade Ivory. So, yes, I'm not doing swirling motion, I'm doing tapping motions, so I want this powder to really get in my skin. I'm going to use this face contour kit, press powder and highlight in one from Sleek. This is an old friend of mine. Okay, and it looks like this. It looks like this. Okay, this brush, and I'm going to also use tapping motions. So tapping motions, and then a little bit of soldering, and we take this up. So you can do how intense you like. A little bit over here, on my forehead, and then the other side. Tapping motions. This brush, this is a blush brush, and this is the butter blush from Physician Formula. So it smells so beautiful and so nice. So let's warm up those cheeks. From Physician Formula as well. This kind of brush, this is a fan big brush. I'm going to load it up with highlighter, and I'm going to highlight my face. This is so beautiful, yes. So to set everything in place, I'm going to use the MAC Fix and Prime setting spray. So from a little bit of distance, I'm going to set my face and my makeup. Don't be afraid to use a lot, because you do have powder on all your face. So I'm going to use my mirror to fan this up. Okay, so we look nice. Okay, let's finish up the under eye area. So I'm going to use like so, and then with this brush, this is a kind of flat, not so fluffy brush, and I'm taking the color Later Gram from the 15S palette, and I'm going to blend this area over here. So from this palette, this is from Kat Von D, the 10th anniversary palette, I'm going to use this beautiful gold shade, this one over here. It's called Egypt. We'll use this brush because it's smaller, this brush, and I'm going to take the color and spray a little bit of Fix Plus on it, and I'm going to put it over here. It's looking good. Okay, next let's put some mascara under my lower lash line. So I'm going to use this Mega Length Mascara. This is from Wet n Wild. Like so, and I'm going to take off my lip gloss because I have one now. Oh my god, this is so hard. Okay. Applying a nude lipstick on my lips. Nude pink lipstick actually. I will show you what I'm using right now. Okay, this is from Marc from Avon in the shade Nude Vibes. A lip gloss on, this is by Pharmacy, this one. My makeup is done, so what do you think about my makeup? Tell me in your comments down below what you didn't like and what you like. If you like this video, be sure and give me a thumbs up, and if you are so kind to subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment and to ring that bell button, and you will be notified when I will post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I send you the best and I will see you in my next video. Kisses!